The YouTube channel, Under the Weather, hosted by James, often showcases the creepiest and most dangerous forests in the UK. One night at a place the locals call Devilwood, James had set up in a wooded area next to a stream. James, known for being hard to scare, wouldn't be prepared for what happened next.
Back to Under the Weather, live from the Devil's Wood. Now I'm losing daylight and I'm in a very precarious place, so I need to try and get some wood. It's for a fire, but as you can see, there's a lot of wetness around. I'm camped right next to a river. Tent's already up because, as I said, losing daylight. Let's show you the wee tent here. The only flat bit of ground is like this little strip here. See if we can get some lights on the go. There. I mean, if you look up, still daylight outside. Right, let's see if we can get some fire going. There will be little animals scratching around, you know, but and also it's when you're camping right next to a river, stream, whatever it is, you'll hear rocks going through the night, and your brain will tell you that's someone coming to get you, you know, but it's literally rocks just kind of being pushed down by the weight of the water. So I think, what the hell? Hang on, turn this. Anyway, just turn this. Hello, is there? Anybody there? Hello? Hello? Hello?
James swings his flashlight over something that looks like someone in a red coat sitting against a tree. Whatever this person wanted isn't clear, but after being noticed, they disappear into the forest. To make things even creepier, if you replay the camera footage, you can notice the man sitting there, watching James, well before he is noticed. Luckily for James, he made it out unscathed. Another German lost in the Canadian wilderness is a YouTube channel made to document a 4-week canoe exhibition through the Canadian wilderness. In this particular episode, something is following them without their knowledge, and tensions rise dramatically.
A voyager only eats perfectly cooked camp cake.
A voyager only perfectly cooks his camp cake.
Voyager never cleans his underwear.
A voyager never wears underwear in the first place.
That's pretty good.
We had a few good ones over the last few days.
Yeah. Where's this boat?
I don't know. Oh, a voyager carries his canoe as much as it's carrying him.
Yes.
Whew. A voyager always gets eaten by the bugs. Whee! That's pretty good already, I guess.
Not bad.
Whoa, 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 bear, bear! Whoa! Hey! 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 Hey!
Go! Go, bear! Go!
Hey!
Hey, go, bear! Hey, go, bear!
Hey!
Get going! Should we walk towards it?
I don't think so.
Hey! Hey, get going, Bear. You go. No, you go. Yeah, you go.
Go!
Hey, you go, Bear. Come on, Bear, you go. You go, Bear. You got nothing to be afraid of. No, wait, you got everything to be afraid of. Go, Bear.
Go!
We're not
Go.
a threat. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, there's the canoe.
We're gonna lose sight of him soon. We gotta get that bear spray out of here.
Still see him?
Yep.
Okay, let's get moving.
They end up confronting the bear by appearing bigger and shouting at the bear to leave. In a stroke of luck, whilst confronting the bear, they can see their canoe in the river, allowing them to slowly back off to safety. This next video comes from a content creator called Joe Cal in Indonesia. He sets a simple mission for himself to survive 2 nights in the Indonesian rainforest.
Jadi teman-teman, hari ini kita akan mencoba untuk survive di tempat yang alamiah sekali tempat ini, dan aku bener-bener sendirian di sini. Kita akan solo camping di tempat ini. Itu di bawah situ ada kali. Kayaknya bagus buat ngecamp ya. Aku udah survei tempat ini dan aku nemu beberapa titik yang cukup bagus untuk bikin kayak tenda. Ini aku udah bawa tendaku, baju ganti, makan, mie instan sih, terus apalagi ya, kompor dan sebagainya, semua yang dibutuhkan untuk jadi anak hutan, termasuk rangka tenda ini. Tapi aku beli di all shop tendanya yang nggak tahu ya, ini tenda paling murah gitu ya, cuman kok rangkanya kayak gini, jadi aku harus bawa seperti ini.
The first night goes well, and he even managed to make food and try fishing. But the second night, something happened that left Joe shook.
Guys, kalian dengar suara itu nggak? Aku nggak tahu ini jam berapa sekarang, tapi aku kebangun gara-gara suara itu, anjir. Di luar masih hujan. Kalian dengar nggak? Kalian dengar nggak? That's kalian dengar suara itu nggak? Anjir, itu bikin aku kebangun, anjir. Aku nggak tahu nih jam berapa sekarang. Anjir, hilang suaranya. Suaranya hilang. Aduh, pencet. Aku buka dulu. Anjir, padahal nggak ada siapa-siapa loh. Man. Apa tadi? Sumpah merinding aku. Anjir lah. Tadi suaranya kedengeran kan? Ya suara cewek kan? Man. Tutup aja deh.
A woman crying clear as day. The unsettling thing is when Joe checks outside his tent, no one is visible and no one makes themselves known. Why is there a woman crying in the middle of the night in a rainforest? Unfortunately, the sound is never located, which leaves us with more questions than answers. Metro on the Move is a YouTube channel focused on hiking and outdoor activities. Whilst camping in the White Mountains, he was woken up very early in the morning to a collapsed tent. He finds his phone and starts recording.
You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, dude. I just got attacked by a bear out here. Oh my god, dude. It's got a claw mark in it. Holy... Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude.
Good morning.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. That's on my tent, dude. It attacked my tent. Oh my god.
The ball.
Hey, yo! Hey!
Yeah.
Bear!
Bear attacked my tent.
Hey! Oh, he's right there.
Right where? Bear!
Oh my god.
He's right there, just next to you. Behind you.
Yes, no running!
No, I'm getting in the light. Oh, there he is.
Get out here, Bear.
There he is.
Hey!
Get away!
Go!
Oh my gosh, dude.
Luckily for them, the sun came up and the bear left. The most unsettling part is that even when you are fast asleep in your tent, you can never be certain something won't find you whilst you are completely unaware. Creepy Outdoors is a YouTube channel that is exactly what it sounds like, just a guy who records creepy outdoor places at night. One night, whilst in the middle of the woods, he catches this chilling video.
Oh, hi.
What the hell? I need to get out of here. Oh boy. Oh. Okay.
Out of the dark forest, a voice yells, "I see you." For a man who often explores creepy places at night alone to say, "I need to get out of here." really says it all. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking the video or subscribing. Until next time.